will be making Coin Collector, a game made using the Pygame 0 module, which runs on Python 3. You will need access to idle also. So if you can see my mouse, you'll see that I'm showing you idle. So this is idle. To run your game, you'll also need access to a command. Also, to make this game, you will need a resource pack downloaded from dk.com/computer coding. So you will scroll down, and where can I click here? And it will download, should download your coding pack. So I have downloaded the resource pack, and if you can still see my mouse, it is here. So this is the pack, and so here are the files. So we have the images and further images. I've returned to my home screen, and now I'm going to open idle. So actually I've already created a file, so I will go to recent files and open the game. So you can see, now I will begin entering the code. So from this textbook that I have here, I have created the file, and then I need to go back into my files, and then so on chapter 4 Coin Collector, I will create a folder called images, and then I will take out these files, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So now I have all the images in here, and I can start writing my code. So we begin with, I started writing what I'm saying. So we begin with writing the canvas, the playing area. So width equals 400, height equals 400. Score equals 0. This is called a Boolean variable. A Boolean variable is a variable whose value can either be true or false. So now I'm going to create the actors on the screen with the draw function and the background color. So now we are going to test out the code we have already written. So we go into our terminal. So in our terminal, we will use the command pgzrun. Oh, it's gone over the line. So pgzrun, and then we'll the coin. So we use pgzrun. This is currently our game. So currently, I see that I have a mistake because in the book it says you should see the fox and coin on your screen with the score. So I know that I have done something wrong. Actually, I've realized what I did wrong. I'm an idle, but if you can see, in the top left corner, it has a star. This means that I have not saved it, and so I should save it. As you can see, the star has disappeared. So, let's stop it, and then let's try running it again. I have score 0. I have another error, because you can see that I can't see the fox and coin. So, if we and we can see that, although it's meant to be a square, it's not. I noticed that my height is wrong, of course, so let's do that, and then let's end it, and then let's run it. So, I have my score, my fox, and my coin. That is all you should have so far. So, I've written some more code, and actually, I haven't written that much in this. This is about functions. So it defines functions. So place coin, time up, update are all functions. Now on the very top line, I have to write from random, random import randint. Notice that it's randint, not radint, as I first wrote. So we will write from random import randint, and then we have to we begin to use these functions. So, I wrote it, and now it says to change pass, and so pass was just like a hashtag basically. So coin.x, the x variable height. This is the width of where the coin is. So I'm just going to be, as you can see, I've added some code. I'm just going to be finishing the code, and then I will show you the code and show you how it runs. So I have finished writing the code, and so I need to remember to save it. And so I will go back into command prompt or terminal, and I will run the code. So I'm using arrow keys to move, so it works. And so after 7 seconds it stops and says your final score. I'm just interested in if you can cheat in yeah. So it would be interesting to maybe add something where it doesn't allow you to move out of the borders, because otherwise it defeats the purpose of the game. Well, it doesn't defeat the purpose of the game. I mean, you don't, yeah. just, yeah. But all in all, I think it's a pretty cool game. So this is the code, if you want to see it again. Yeah, so after looking at the additional hacks and tweaks, one thing it suggests, which I think is pretty obvious, is that you can change the width and height. So if I make it very big, I will have a huge canvas to play on. But then, really, I think, yeah, I need to make the time, which can be edited, clock schedule, so I can make it, for example, instead of 20 seconds, say, so I can, oh, that's annoying because because you'll have greater distances to travel with your fox. I'm pretty sure it's gonna end right before, yeah, so definitely not enough time to collect your coins. Yeah, also one thing I just noticed is even after it says final score, if you know where the coin is, you can maneuver your fox and still get it. But I mean, that's only if you know where the coin is. Also, if you don't want to give so much time, but you can make the it quicker by changing how far it moves. Here, that's here. I changed it, and so then I can change the time to 15 seconds. If we try it, we can see the fox moves faster. And I think I'd rather it move faster than have more time because it moves much faster. Also, an idea that could be added is to write. I don't know if it's given here, no, but it's to have somewhere where it says this time is my just like fox and coin collector game. So I think it's quite easy as long as you have the code, and just make sure you understand the code and know how to play. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.